The project is developed to work in an innovative way for families that are on the edge of care. The idea behind it is that we utilise the skills of foster carers that work within family teams, and they are recruited to offer mentoring support to families.
We want children at home with their families, ultimately, and that's where they're best placed if it's safe to do so. And it's more of a preventative, so it's not, the family's in crisis and we're going in firefighting. We're coming in a bit earlier and we're making those changes and sustaining those changes. The saying is, you need a village. A part of our role is we build that village. When they first come to that parenting course, they're kind of supported by their foster carer. But the beautiful part is you see the families leave with friends, with aunties, with extra support that keeps them held well.
I think it gives them lots of opportunities through the parenting courses, through our family days and our residentials, to learn more skills, to help themselves and to help the children. If we can see the parents as individuals as well and help them to be happier people, that is very inspiring to the children, and it just makes happier families altogether, I think.
I got 3 grandchildren and a special guardian. Without Step Up, Step Down, I think they would have been back in care and I would have lost them. They supported me. I was like in point of return when they got involved with me. When we go on the trips, they support for us to have a break. They organise all the lovely stuff for the children that wouldn't have it if it wasn't for them. There's families out there who really need the help, and Step Up, Step Down is proving good for them.